Hello guys, thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today we will be using Easy Doge, a faucet and multiplier. This is one of Easy Light's twin sites and you earn the same way. Let's begin by signing up with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is on the left. You can choose from Faucet, Shortlinks, Surveys, and Games. Let's choose Faucet for now. As usual, solve the CAPTCHA in the center of the screen. Great! When you're done, the timer should reset. You can claim every hour. While you wait for the timer to reset, you can do short links or surveys. But let's try out the games for now. Choose Games on your dashboard and select Slots. Place your bet amount and set your lines at 3. Next, click Spin. If you get lucky, you can win. You can win up to 100x. I'm gonna make a few spins. Wow, amazing! I just won a 100x. I hope you win too. When you're done with the games, you can withdraw to your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet. Select Wallet, it's at the bottom of your dashboard. Next, choose the orange Withdraw button, then fill in the amount you want to withdraw. You need at least 5 Doge to withdraw. Doing surveys is a fast way to earn enough coins to cash out. I'll show you how in another video. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.